Understanding the phrase, out of line. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where learning English is both fun and effective. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the common English phrase, out of line. This is a phrase you might hear in movies, songs, or even in everyday conversations. So let's get started and dive into its meaning and usage. The phrase, out of line, is used to describe something or someone that is inappropriate, unacceptable, or beyond what is considered normal or proper. It often carries a negative connotation and is used to highlight behavior that deviates from accepted standards. Understanding where phrases come from can help us remember them better. The phrase, out of line, is believed to have a military origin, where soldiers had to maintain a straight formation, or line. When a soldier stepped out of this formation, they were literally out of line. To solidify your understanding, let's look at some examples. Interrupting someone during a meeting is considered out of line. The comments he made about her appearance were totally out of line. Remember, this phrase is used in contexts where there's a clear breach of conduct. You can use it when you want to express that someone's actions or words were not okay. For instance, I think the way he talked to you was out of line, and you should talk to him about it. For those who love to expand their vocabulary, here are some synonyms. Inappropriate, improper, unacceptable. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, out of line. We hope this has shed light on its meaning and usage. Remember, learning a language is about understanding the little nuances that make it special. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking like a native in no time. Until our next video, keep learning and stay curious. Goodbye.